I-South African Federation of Trade Unions ihole umbuthano eGoli njengengxenye yokukhumbula usuku lwabasebenzi lomhlaba wonke. Ikhulume ngokumelene nezichibiyelo ezihlongozwayo zomthetho wezabasebenzi kanye negebe lokungalingani. Unobhala Jikelele uZwelinzima Vavi ngesikhathi ethula inkulumo yakhe uthe kunzima kakhulu ukugubha lolu usuku njengoba izwe libhekene nezinselele eziningi njengendlala, ukuntuleka kwemisebenzi kanye nesihlava se-gender based violence. Uphinde wathi lolu usuku olokuvuselela izimiso zabo zokulisana nokuxhashazwa kanye nencindezelo yobuhlanga.
ISAFTU ukuphawula usuku lwabasebenzi lwehlabathi ibambe umsitho ongokukhusela amalungelo wabasebenzi kunye nemivuzo. Lo mbutho uthi akukho lula ukubhiyozela elilanga ngenxa yengxaki elilizwe elijongene nazo.
We are celebrating and rededicating ourselves to the new struggles when our youth are facing boredom that is driving them to nyawope and drugs violence. We are sitting with a ticking time bomb of the abuse of even the children and women every day, from Kwekwe to everyone. We have faced an abuse and killing through what we now call a femicide. So we are not celebrating, comrades. We are here to rededicate ourselves to the struggles of our time so that we do not fail our generation.
Unobhala Jikelele weSAFTU uZwelinzima Vavi ubuye wacangcatha nakumba wezinga eliphezulu lentswelangqesho athi longamile kweli lizwe.
We are celebrating when unemployment rate in our country is now sitting at 42%, with 40% of black women unemployed, with 60 young people unemployed, with 62% of our population living on a poverty or below the upper poverty level of 1,500, with 23% of our population living below the breadline. We are celebrating or marking the May Day when we have become the most unequal society in the whole world.
Lo mbutho uthi isende indlela ekusamele ihanjiwe kodwa usithi injongo kukubeka imfuno zabasebenzi phambili ukubanika iqonga lokuba nelizwi. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.
Khona manjalo abasebenzi abebeyingxenye yomhlangano weSAFTU bakhuluma ngezingqinamba ababhekana nazo emsebenzini, bathi izimo abasebenza ngaphansi kwazo zimbi kakhulu futhi abanalo izwi lokukhuluma ngezikhalazo zabo njengoba bexoshwa. Lezi zisebenzi zizizwa sengathi azinakho ukwesekwa nokuvikeleka.
As a working class, we are a dead generation, comrades. Our government is killing us. Already we are dead. Now they want to make us some ghost, comrades. We are working in an environment that is not safe for our health. Because if you work and be worried at the same time, comrade, believe me, your heartbeat won't be the same as a human being.
Our democracy and apartheid is very, I think I'm saying is the same thing. Because now what we have won during apartheid, the government or the Netleg guys, they are taking all the things that we have won. Now the problem is that we are facing is that who is sitting at Netleg?
Ebafowethu makuliweni siyafa. Yazi mawusebenza mawuthi lokhu kurong uyaxoshwa. Basebenzi sikhishwa njalo mangabe ukhulumile bamkhiphe bafaka omunye. Omunye mayekhuluma bamkhiphe bafaka omunye. Ngabe bayastada nini balobakhipha abantu babafaka na? Ngikhuluma nawe nje ngiqoshiwe mina ngime la.